Last time, Team Hatzi, we had already sold 2 Hatzi shirts to the Hatzi pre-sale to these 2 Hatzi members. And Team Hatzi, well, we have been selling way more since then. Oh no, Team Hatzi, Instagram had blocked me and I had asked you, Team Hatzi, what should I do? One of you had told me that I should use TikTok. I thought about it for a while, Team Hatzi, and then I decided that TikTok was the best place to try something new and have a look at Hatzi clothing tips. Team Hatzi was day 99 of the 180-day challenge, and Team Hatzi, oh my god, I did not think today I would be doing this, or ever I would actually be doing this, but it just seemed like the perfect idea, Team Hatzi, perfect idea to put the Hatzi clothing tips on. We finally downloaded TikTok, and I never thought I'd ever be saying that, Team Hatzi. Also, I've been very busy organising the Hatzi shirt box. The Hatzi shirt box will look like a normal little box where the shirt can fit in, but it'll just have a little Hatzi sticker right on top, and it'll look amazing, Team Hatzi. Imagine getting a shirt in a box. I bet you've never had that before, Team Hatzi. Wow, Team Hatzi. What a day! Day 100 of the 180-day challenge, Team Hatzi. We started off this day with an amazing song by the Hatzi Music Man. His name's Tom Graham. Make sure you check him out. He's an amazing guitar player. We listened to his song and listened and reminisced on the past. The past of Hatzi, where it all started. We thought about Hatzi hoodies. A long time ago, Team Hatzi, that was on day 30. We thought about the Hatzi designs before the Hatzi hoodies even started, and the Hatzi products, what we were going to sell before that. Team Hatzi, that reminiscing made me think about it. We have come so far, Team Hatzi. We have come incredibly far. I can't believe we are now at day 100. So on day 100, it was a special day, and we had started TikTok, as you know, about yesterday. So what I decided to do, Team Hatzi, was look at all the other TikTokers on my phone. I looked at all of them and picked out what do they do to get the most views and most followers. And then, Team Hatzi, I figured out they
Hatzi, when you fail, don't give up.
So what they do, Team Hatzi, is they pick a specific niche. And what they do with this niche is they make videos based on it. This niche can include spinning stuff on your fingers and stuff like that, Team Hatzi. So I decided what would Hatzi's specific niche be. And I obviously thought it would be Hatzi clothing tips. So I made an amazing strip for the Hatzi video. And Team Hatzi, I was so wrong. When I posted it, I suddenly realised that it was so bad and it was horrible. Team Hatzi was day 101 of the 180-day challenge. And Team Hatzi, after yesterday's complete fail of TikTok, well, I decided to make a new one. Message and it read something like this: Mr. Hatzi, your YouTube videos are brilliant. I love your editing skills. There is one problem, letting your videos down. I was like, what is that, Team Hatzi? What is it? Please tell me. And what they said was, your mic sounds like an elephant doing something really loud. And I was like, no, Team Hatzi, I want you to have the best. I love your feedback. So I decided to plan out what I was going to do until the next day. Team Hatzi was day 102 of the 180-day challenge. And today, Team Hatzi, well, I started off by making a brand new TikTok. Check it out, Team Hatzi.
No. I fuck with that. Wait, hold up. It's like it's hopscotch. Everything they not.
When you fail, don't give up.
Hatzi, when you fail, don't give up.
I've been getting heaps and heaps of messages from you showing me where you have been placing the Hatzi stickers. Look at this, Team Hatzi, it is crazy. Wow, Team Hatzi, those stickers are going everywhere and I am absolutely loving it. It was now time for me to finally deliver the Hatzi stickers to Indonesia. So let's see how it went. Team Hatzi, we can see the postage box and we're going to post some stickers. How do you feel, Andy?
Feeling pretty good right now.
You're feeling good? He wants to share some Hatzi love.
Yeah.
So let's go get the thing out of my bag and then we'll put it in the box. We are delivering the Hatzi stickers right now to Indonesia. We've got the Hatzi dog. We've got Andrew, the friend, the Hatzi member, and he's gonna deliver them right now on the Hatzi mailbox. Look, Australian Post. All right, Andy, let's go. We have just delivered. Team Hatzi, you've seen it. We have just delivered the Hatzi stickers to Indonesia. Andrew feels good. The Hatzi dog feels amazing. We're so good. All right, see you, Team Hatzi. Day 100 of free Team Hatzi of the 180-day challenge. I started off today, Team Hatzi, with the Hatzi Music Man. Once again, he was playing his amazing guitar. So the idea of this Team Hatzi was to make you relax, put little questions to ask yourself like, how was your day? Tell you something positive. Tell you something that you did amazing today. Tell someone else what they did amazing today. So that was the whole idea of the Hatzi Music Man playing his guitar with all those little words. I asked you, Team Hatzi, if you liked it. And then I decided to hop on to fixing the Hatzi video audio. What you're watching right now is the new and improved Hatzi audio. So tell me what it sounds like in the comments below. Also, the way I fixed it was, this is the sciencey stuff, Team Hatzi. I decided to connect my phone, because phones are great for audio. They're used for calling, obviously, Team Hatzi. So what I did, I connected my phone to my laptop, and when I record a voiceover, I speak into my phone, and it goes to my laptop. This is crazy, Team Hatzi. It blew my mind. Insane. Team Hatzi, I've got the Hatzi stickers in the car, and now let's go deliver them, Team Hatzi. Come on, let's go. Oh. Let's go deliver the Hatzi stickers. It's gonna be crazy. I've just rocked up at the house. Got the Hatzi stickers. We got the Hatzi stickers. Did you hear that? They already know we're coming. Maybe there's no one home. Pretty sure there's someone home. Hello, we've just delivered some Hatzi stickers.
Oh my god, thank you.
After this, Team Hatzi, I read the comments about if you want the Hatzi Music Man to be on the Hatzi story every day. You guys said that you don't want to hear him every day. You want him to be only on a one-off because you guys are very busy and you just want to know the straight Hatzi facts about what is happening and all that, Team Hatzi. So that is what I'm going to decide to give you, Team Hatzi, and I love your feedback. Team Hatzi, I just want to thank you guys so much. We together, as a community, have hit 100 subscribers. This is insane, Team Hatzi. Imagine if you got 180. The 180-day challenge, 180 subscribers. That would be crazy, Team Hatzi. Let's see what happens in the future. And in the meantime, Team Hatzi, make sure you follow the Instagram for the Hatzi daily updates. And remember, Team Hatzi, to